So in this particular case, what we need to do is to insert data from SQL Server to Tally ERP9, right? That is how it is going to be. So I have got this data here, which is here, और मैंने क्या किया है कि यहाँ पे एक particular then, so the way we have gone about it is like this. At first we have made a SQL Server connection. So this driver, then this is what my server name is, this is my database, this is my user ID, this is my password, and I kept trusted connection equal to true. I didn't want a complication there. And then if I pick up this SQL code, then I should be able to run it within the ODS underscore ledger underscore insert. So I should be able to run it within the database, right? So I get this. Yes, I've just got one entry to actually put it in. Then what I do is, then I come here and then I make another collection, which is whose source collection is this, and then I compute various ledger names based on this. I computed this, I computed this, I computed this. This actually has to be done because in case we desire to make a report, right, for the client, then the collection ledge call is required. So basically it will be required in the case wherein he wants to do his own audit, if he wants to even press the button before he goes, because below this I've kept a button. I've in the menu of gateway I've added a button, and that button calls this this function, which actually goes and updates the ledger data, right? So in case he wants to do a collection, then this is it. Then I made a function. So now this creates a function for the ledger data insertion from SQL Server, right? So this creates a function for that, and the logic for this is that we walk this collection ledge call. I make a new object. Now within this new object, it becomes very easy, right? Now I have got a name. So if they don't have name as the ledge name, then parent, I go down here, this is parent, then this is the ledge parent. Then the opening balance, I say opening balance. Now this opening balance is actually an amount, so that will come out to be ledge opening balance. So I say $ledge op val. Is it clear? And then I say save target, and then I say save walk, and then based on this, then I go and call and execute the action. So I go here and I save the file, and then let me just build it. So I'm building up a small TCP, and let's see whether I get this accurately. So it should be quite simple. I go here and I configure, go to product and features, I go here, I say /invito dot TCP. It's done. So you get addition of data. Now just to make a cross check whether this data is coming, you go here. Let's pick up select $lead name. So I say select $lead name comma $lead balance. Let Apoorv, let parent. From let call. So if you look at this, you get this let opening balance. Right, so we have got this thing clear here. Now when I escape it and I say addition of data, so group the sales account does not exist. Zero one C group sales account does not exist. Okay, fine. So that group also does not exist. That's the problem. So let us see which all groups exist for now, because that group has to exist, right? So oh shit. Control N. But sales account should exist. If I go down to display, if I go down to account books, list of accounts, ledger here, na? If I need to insert it, why is it not coming out to be? Sales accounts का क्यों नहीं आ रहा? ये insert क्यों नहीं आ रहा? Sales accounts क्यों नहीं आ रहा? तो sales accounts does not exist means what? Group sales account. Sales account है कि sales account है? Okay, sales account है कि sales accounts है? Okay, so there's a problem here. Update set parent equal to now what happens here? Now when I do this, I press escape here and I press enter. It should have done. Now let's see display. I go down to the list of accounts, and within the list of accounts I go down here and I've added this ledger. Okay, so I'm able to now add a ledger to this. Okay, then I add another one here, which is then it says variable set value, save target, create target. So this should be okay. So this ledgers, I'll be able to say, okay, fine, these ledgers are to be inserted and then accordingly taken care of, right? So I'll be able to add a ledger. So say, suppose I say select star from ODS underscore ledger underscore insert, right? And then this is my sample, correct? And now I say sample hyphen 2, okay, truncate table ODS underscore ledger underscore insert. So I say truncate table ODS underscore ledger underscore insert, like this. Then I say insert into values ledger to insert to sales underscore, so I say duties and taxes. So I say duties and taxes. So duties and taxes कैसे मिलेगा? I'll say select star from ODS underscore ledger details tally, right? ये मैंने सपोज किया. Then I say SQL Server 6, I get this here, और मैंने ये duties and taxes को उठा के रख लिया, right? So I pick this up, this, and duties and taxes I put it as 135, right? And then I say this insert, then I come down here and then I additional insert, then and this is ledgers to insert 2 and opening balance is 130.